Firstly, let's discuss aphids. These tiny insects can be a garden's worst nightmare, especially in warm and dry weather conditions when they multiply rapidly. Early detection is crucial. Be on the lookout for signs of aphid attack, such as twisted and curled leaves, yellowing of leaves, stunted or dead shoots, and sluggish plant growth. To control aphids, consider these steps. 1. If there are only a few aphids, gently rub them off the leaves and stems of your plants. 2. You can dust ash evenly onto the infested parts of your vegetables. 3. Spray the crops with a strong stream of water using a garden hose pipe to dislodge them from the plant. 4. Soapy water can also be an effective deterrent. Simply spray all parts of the crop, including the underside of the leaves, to trap and suffocate the aphids. 5. Keep your vegetable garden weed-free, as some weeds serve as aphid hosts. 6. During transplanting, dispose of any seedlings infested with aphids. And 7. If aphids have spread diseases on your crops, remove and destroy the infected crops immediately. Next, let's talk about cutworms. These pests can be controlled by tilling the land 10 to 14 days before planting. This exposes the cutworms to the sun and predators such as birds. Always check for the presence of cutworms on the soil surface early in the morning, or dig small holes around the seedlings during the day. If you spot any, pick them up and remove them. When sowing seeds or transplanting seedlings, ensure to check for the presence of cutworms in the soil. You can also flood the ground with water a few days before sowing or transplanting to kill the cutworms in the soil. Additionally, when transplanting, ensure the stems are too wide for the cutworm to encircle them. This will reduce cutworm damage. Lastly, let's address caterpillars. Check for the presence of caterpillars on growing cabbage seedlings about 1 month from the time of transplanting. If you see ragged holes on the leaves, they are likely caused by young caterpillars of cabbage moth. Check the crop twice weekly to detect the caterpillars before they move towards the growing center of the plant. In summary, controlling pests in vegetable crops involves a combination of early detection, regular monitoring, and the use of simple, effective control methods. With these steps, you can keep your crops healthy and bountiful, and keep those pesky pests at bay.